little bit higher. We focus on body composition and body mechanics and the movements of your body. So we're going to use some equipment, mostly a lot of your body weight exercises, resistant bands, dumbbells, barbells, and the kettlebells. But the bottom line is the results that you get, the way you feel after a workout, you can't beat it. So what I want you to do is just fill out the form below. I want to get back to you as soon as possible so we can get you started. Don't wait another day. And if you're terrified of those big box gyms, we're not a big box gym. We operate by appointment, and it's just either you and your trainer, or you're either in a group of no more than 10, or semi-private, which is 2 to 3, maybe 4 people. All right, so fill out the form, give us a call, 443-226-8194. My name is Kenneth Reed, and I look forward to seeing you. Talk to you soon.